distinguished chief guest, Bhushan Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, Chairman of Indian Space Research Organization, Chancellor Dr. Kumaramangalam Birla, Vice Chancellor Professor B.N. Jain, and members of the Board of Governors, General Body, and the Senate, distinguished guests, BITS alumni, my colleagues from the three other campuses of BITS Pilani University, students, faculty and staff of Hyderabad campus, special invitees, members of the press, and most importantly, today's graduating students and their parents. A very warm welcome to you all on this momentous occasion, the third convocation of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It has been a memorable journey for the students, faculty, and all members of BITS family involved in building the campus. Today, we have 683 students to receive their degrees. 589 of them are receiving their first degree, 91 their higher degree, and 3 of them will receive their doctorate degrees. We will be awarding medals to 3 students for outstanding academic performance. Miss S.K. Harshita with a gold medal, Mr. Mayank Singh with a silver medal, Mr. Nishit Ketan with a bronze medal. Hearty congratulations to all the students who are graduating today and to their proud parents. A few words about this fourth campus of BITS Pilani. With a project outlay of 300 crores, this campus got completed in time, including a state of the auditorium, which was inaugurated yesterday by the Chancellor. This is accomplished mainly due to the support given by late Dr. K.K. Birla and the Chancellor Dr. Kumaramangalam Birla, besides the cooperation of several government agencies. This auditorium, as I mentioned, a state-of-the-art auditorium, a dream project of Mr. Kumaramangalam Birla and a precious gift of Kumaramangalam Birla to the Hyderabad campus. We are indeed grateful to you, sir. This has a capacity of 2,500 seats, very high end of audio and video with 35,000 lumens, with a Christie projector and JBL sound system. It has got an expandable stage. In a way, it is pride of the owner and neighbors' envy. I am told some of our students who are graduating really were feeling jealous of the present batch of students for missing this opportunity. I am really and highly indebted to the Birla family for giving me this opportunity to build this campus. Spread over 200 acres, the campus has 3,165 students with 162 faculty and 160 staff members. The Hyderabad campus offers degree programs at all levels. This is undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD in engineering and sciences. I would like to make a special mention here that we have started 13 undergraduate programs in the very first year, followed by postgraduate and PhD programs in the second year. I would now present a brief summary of the achievements of our faculty and students during the last academic year. With a focus on fundamental as well as applied research, right from day one, faculty and students of Hyderabad campus have obtained sponsored research funds of rupees 25.23 crore from different agencies like DST, CSIR, UGC, DIT, DBT, and ICMR. 6 are Indo-international projects that have collaboration with Sweden, Brazil, France, Portugal, and Ukraine. Under the Science and Technology funds of Aditya Birla Group, 3 projects have been funded at Hyderabad campus. BITS Pilani has established Center of Research Excellence in Waste, Water, and Energy Management to develop technology, processes, products, and solutions to societal problems. To begin with, BITS has funded 5 projects across all its campuses Two of them are from Hyderabad campus. The principal investigators are Dr. Shankar Ganesh, Department of Biological Science, and Dr. Pradeep Dhamol, Department of Chemical Engineering. I am proud to declare that every department in this campus has one or more sponsored research projects. At par with research and development, innovation and entrepreneurship are also given significant focus. The Center for Innovation, Incubation and Entrepreneurship was set up in August 2013, inaugurated by Dr. Srikanth Reddy with a vision to foster innovation-driven entrepreneurship in alignment with BITS Pilani's mission 2015 and Vision 2020. BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus has set up the Technology Business Incubator with a funding of 5 crores from the Department of Science and Technology. TBI is promoting entrepreneurship with focus areas in ICT for healthcare, biotechnology, and pharmaceuticals. TBI currently has 7 full-time incubatees. A startup company, namely Excellence in Bioinnovations and Technology, has been promoted by Professor Suman Kapoor, Senior Professor in Department of Biological Sciences. Ms. Anuradha Paul, PhD student, is one of the directors of this company. She is yet to complete her PhD degree, sir. This startup company aims to provide affordable healthcare to all with a mission from benchside to bedside. Its flagship product is Right Biotech, fastest antibiotic finder, is the result of research undertaken by Dr. Kapoor's group. This team has received its first seed funds under the spurge of the Department of Biotechnology. BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus is associated with various state government initiatives for innovation and entrepreneurship like Technology Entrepreneurship Program, an initiative of the erstwhile AP Society for Knowledge Networks and Indian School of Business, Hyderabad, to provide engineering students with skills and vision to be leaders in both innovation and entrepreneurship. The director, BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, is a member of the Board of Governors of the erstwhile AP Society for Knowledge Networks and is entrusted with implementation of MOOCs courses in the states of Andhra and Telangana now. In the previous academic year, many conferences and workshops were held in this campus. To name a few are the Winter School of Global Health, National Symposium on Human Diseases, and the National Seminar on Space Science and Technology, for which you were the chief guest and you had delivered the keynote address, sir. Professor Amit Kumar Gupta, the Department of Mechanical Engineering, was awarded the UGC Research Award, and Professor S. Venkateswaran's Award, Faculty Excellence Award 2013 from BITSA. Professor D. Sriram, Department of Pharmacy, was awarded the UGC Research Award. Professor Yogeshwari of Department of Pharmacy received ICMR Shakuntala Amarchand Prize. Director, BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus, was conferred with the Eminent Education Award at the annual summit of Indo-Global Education Summit. Director, BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus and Professor Suman Kapoor were honored as distinguished faculty in the BITSA Global Meet that was held in the first week of January 2014 in this campus. To keep in pace with their faculty mentors, many students have also contributed to research and development. Ms. U. Ramyashri, PhD student, Department of Biological Sciences, won the Best Poster Award in the international conferences on advances in chemical engineering at NIT Raipur. Mr. B. Sivaprasad, PhD student, Department of Biological Sciences, was awarded Harshita Mehendale Association of Scientists of Indian Student Award Fund 2014 by the Society of Toxicology at Phoenix, Arizona. Further, coming to the extracurricular activities, Pearl 2014, the National Annual Cultural Festival of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus was celebrated from 6th to 9th March 2014, Arena. The National Annual Sports Festival of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus was conducted from 30th January to 2nd February 2014. The Annual Technical Festival of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus at MAS was organized by the students from 10th to 13th October as a part of BITS Golden Jubilee celebrations. We organize BITS-a-thon, a 10K run in Necklace Road, Hyderabad on 23rd March 2014. Several eminent personalities, including yourself, sir, have visited this campus during this academic year. Dr. Ayana Howard, Director, Human Automation Systems Lab, Georgia Institute of Technology. Professor Dave Irwin Halliday, Founder, Light Up of the World Foundation. Dr. Gopichand Katragadda, Chairman, Managing Director of GE India Technology Center, Bangalore. Professor M. Vidyasagar, Cecil and Ida Green Chair in Systems Biological Science, the University of Texas and Dallas. Professor Samir Sankusule, Tufts University. Professor Robert C. Walcott, Co-Founder and Executive Director of Kellogg Innovation Network. Padma Bhushan Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, yourself, sir, Chairman of the Space Commission, Secretary of the Department of Space and Chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization. Padma Vibhushan, Professor Raghunath Anant Mashelkar, former Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Chairperson of the National Innovation Foundation. Padma Bhushan, Dr. K. Srinath Reddy, President, Public Health Foundation of India. Shri S. Jaipal Reddy, the then Union Minister for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. Swami Bodhamayananda, Director, Vivekananda Institute of Human Excellence. Padma Shri Dr. Avinash Chandar, Secretary to the then Defense Minister. Dr. G. Satish Reddy, Director, Research Center, Imarat. Shri Ponnala Lakshmaya, the then Minister for Information Technology and Communication. Padma Vibhushan, Dr. Palle Ramarao, former Secretary, Department of Science and Technology. Shri A.S. Kiran, Director, Space Application Center. Dr. M.Y.S. Prasad, Director, SHAR. Shri S. Ramakrishna, Director, VSSC. Dr. V.K. Dadwal, Director, NRSC. Dr. Hilary Carter, Expert Biosecurity Engagement Program, Department of State, US Government. Professor William Vokes, Director, EPICS Program. There are many social organizations active on campus such as NSS, Nirman, Yuva, Urja. These social organizations have conducted programs like school adoption, livelihood opportunities, and community development. Some of these organizations spread outside the campus and adopted surrounding villages to teach underprivileged students, help to provide drinking water and sanitation facilities. The Institute encourages many of these outreach programs by giving academic credit of 3 units for such type of projects. For any academic institution, its alumni are one of the best assets, most of whom have become successful entrepreneurs who are role models for the new generation of students. The Spark program was launched by BITS alumni to promote and support entrepreneurship across all BITS campuses. Center for Entrepreneurial Leadership has introduced a 3-credit course called New Venture Creation with the help of BITS alumni that brings in hands-on experience and real-time learning to students. All these efforts of BITS alumni have resulted in many startups incubated in our technology business incubator. I am happy to mention that the second BITSA Global Meet with the theme Celebrating Innovation, Achievement and Leadership was held in January 2014 at this campus. Sir, I take this opportunity to place on record my gratitude to the state government and other government agencies who have extended their support all these years. I sincerely thank the chief guest, Dr. Radhakrishnan, for taking time out and gracing this occasion. I immensely thank our Chancellor, Dr. Kumaramangalam Birla, for all his support, guidance and inspiration. I would like to thank our Vice Chancellor, Professor B.N. Jain, members of the Board of Governors and the General Body for being with us on this momentous occasion. I also express my heartfelt thanks to the faculty, staff and students for their seamless support and cooperation in making the arrangements for this third convocation. Finally, I take this opportunity to once again congratulate the graduating students and wish them success in their future endeavors. The degree awarded to you today is a certificate for your academic qualification. However, the education in the last 4 to 5 years has provided you with a strong foundation for lifelong learning and for facing challenges of life with confidence and determination. I am confident that you, as the ambassadors of BITS Pilani, will continue to strive in enhancing the reputation of your alma mater. Thank you. I take this opportunity to introduce our honored chief guest, Dr. Koppili Radhakrishnan is chairman of the Space Commission, secretary of the Department of Space, and chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, since November 2009. His contributions of 43 years in space engineering and space applications have made a difference in the country while enhancing India's stature in international arena. Dr. Radhakrishnan is recipient of Padma Bhushan in 2014 and has been selected for the prestigious Alan D. Emil Memorial Award of International Astronautical Federation. Congratulations, sir. A graduate of Electrical Engineering from Kerala University 1970 batch and a postgraduate in Management from IIM Bangalore 1976 batch, Dr. K. Radhakrishnan obtained his PhD from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in 2000. He is a distinguished alumnus awardee of IIT Kharagpur and IIM Bangalore. He is a fellow of the Indian National Academy of Engineering, fellow of the National Academy of Science India, honorary life fellow of Institution of Engineers, honorary fellow of the Institution of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineers, India, and a member of the International Academy of Astronautics. He is president of Astronautical Society of India since 2010. As the chief of the Indian Space Program, Dr. Radhakrishnan spearheaded Team ISRO to accomplish a quantum jump in number of missions executed and to establish new capabilities for satellite navigation, strategic communications, microwave radar imaging, and tropical climate studies. Apart from 11 consecutive successful PSLV missions, the GSLV D5 with Indian cryogenic engine and stage achieved a spectacular success on January 5th, 2014. Under his effective leadership, India's first planetary exploration, the Mars Orbiter mission, was conceived, planned, and executed with a great deal of originality. Prior to this assignment, Dr. Radhakrishnan has been director of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, National Remote Sensing Center, and the founding director of the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services. Now, may I request Dr. Radhakrishnan to deliver his convocation address.